I wake up early, grab my Mac, open VS Code, it's time to hack. Backend, frontend, database tight, building APIs deep into the night. Node.js serving up roots like food, SQL queries, indexes fly. Optimizing code, watch it touch the sky. I'm a full stack. Deployin in the cloud. I'm a full stack. No downtime allowed. I'm a full stack. Bugs won't slow me down from front end sleek to back end sound. Commit that code, GitHub stash. Pull requests, let's merge it fast. React on the surface, smooth and clean. Express in the back end, built like a dream. Docker up my apps in flight. CI/CD, every build's airtight. No SQL or Mongo flow. JSON data coming in like whoa. Push to prod, no bugs in sight, except that one, no man, not tonight. Fix it fast, we rolling back, no one's sleeping when the site goes black. I'm a full stack, building UI sleek. I'm a full stack, back end never weak. I'm a full stack, debugging on the go. Got that agile sprint, keep the tickets low. Dark mode on, caffeine's kicking. Stack Overflow, got my mind quick fixing. Code reviews, deploy, we ship. Another feature drop, don't trip. Load that app, watch it scale. WebSockets, keeping chat detail. OAuth sign and tokens tight. Security strong, no hacks tonight. Servers running, logs look fine. PM just sent, need it live by 9. No stress, got this crew. DevOps chilling, we pushing through. I'm a full stack, debugging with speed. I'm a full stack, REST or GraphQL feed. I'm a full stack, building dreams in code. From zero to hero, watch it explode. Cloud is up, site is fast, server strong, system last. Pull request, all tests pass. That's a wrap, code's built to last. I'm a full stack. I'm a full stack, debugging with speed. I'm a full stack, REST or GraphQL feed. I'm a full stack, building dreams in code. From zero to hero, watch it explode. Cloud is up, site is fast, server strong, system last. Pull request, all tests pass. That's a wrap, code's built to last.